ये सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड in water, aqueous sodium hydroxide. When we are adding water into NaOH, that is called aqueous NaOH, and also is known as dilute. It is also known as diluted NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a base. Which type? Why?
Because it is OH ions in water.
Large amount of OH ion will release.
When dissolved in water.
That is the soluble. It is so hot. Why they are hot? Because it is very corrosive in nature. That is very dangerous. जैसे एसिड जो होता है वो डेंजरस होता है, बेस भी होता है. जो स्ट्रॉन्ग है दैट इज डेंजरस पार्ट. दे आर मोर रिएक्टिव पार्ट. इट इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग, इसीलिए इसको स्ट्रॉन्ग कहा जाता है. एसिड. एंड वी हैव टू चेंज ऑफ कलर. This is the change of red color. So now this is the change of red color is what happened? It is the acidic in nature. बहुत ज़्यादा ये हॉट है, इसलिए इसका जो कलर है बहुत तेज़ी से आ रहा है. ठीक है, तो हम इसको क्या करते हैं, पहले डाइल्यूट कर देते हैं, थोड़ा सा डाइल्यूट कर देते हैं. अदरवाइज जानते हैं क्या होगा, पेपर ही जल जाएगा. अगर रोटी बना रहे हैं, तवा गरम है, पानी डालते हैं तो क्या हो जाता है?
इसमें क्वांटिटी बहुत शॉर्ट है ना, इसलिए कोई इफेक्ट नहीं हुआ. जब
ज़्यादा
when you
हो-
are having the huge quantity, that time you can get the any accident kind of like that.
Okay, now the second more important thing is when we are taking the, ये आपने ब्लू लिटमस पेपर को अभी रेड हुआ देखा? That is the acidic in nature. Now look at the base. Now we are taking the red. Let's change its color. Blue. What happened? This is the base. Because it changed the red litmus to blue. Have you got?
Yes, sir.
Now this is the two experiment related to the acid base by the litmus. Now one more thing is indicator. We have to take in one blue litmus paper. Sorry. We are indicator use means test tube. One more thing is test tube. Yes, this is test tube. In this test tube, first of all, taking of acid, sulfuric acid. And now in this sulfuric acid,
Orange.
This is the color of, this is the color of red. Why they are change of color red?
Because it
Because it is acidic in nature.
is sir.
Because acidic in
Nature.
nature. Now the in same way, क्या आएगा कलर? Only red.
Yes, sir.
I think it is a difference of color.
No, sir. No, sir.
1 minute. One more thing.
So देखिए
Okay, okay. And now in this sodium hydroxide solution, we are adding methyl orange. When we are adding the small quantity, then it will change the yellow color. If the amount of indicator is more, then the color is changed to red. Means it is depend on the quantity of. Okay, now third indicator is phenolphthalein. We are use of phenolphthalein. Achha, when we use the phenolphthalein to acid, what will the change of color? There is no change of color. Actual color is phenolphthalein is colorless. We are taken off base. And in this base we are using the phenolphthalein. The color of phenolphthalein is colorless. Now here we are using the pink. What will be the color? Pink. So this is the sign of pink is so the it is adding of base. So here is three types of. I think थोड़ा सा yellow से ज़्यादा हो रहा है. According to the indicator ये थोड़ा color ज़्यादा हो गया है. So now we are using the indicator part. This is your practical part done. You have to go to
PS
the
paper.
PS paper भी दिखा दे. This is the PS paper. I think this is not a PS paper. This is the red litmus paper. This one is a PS paper. Look at this. This one is PS paper. The color of PS paper on acid. What will be the change of color? Look at this. This is the color of change is red. It means it is a acidic in nature. And what will be the change of color is I think red. Dark red, na? This is dark red.
Dark pink.
So now when dark red is, what is the value of pH? 0 or 1. 0 or 1. If color is very dark, that is 0. If generally dark means red, that is 1. So this is the color of PS paper is red. Define the pH value 1. This is define the value of pH
1.
Now one second thing is when we are adding the PS paper on base, so what will be change? Look at this. When we are using the PS paper on, this is not violet. This is blue. This is blue, but dark blue. That is dark blue. So what will be the change of color if dark blue is happen?
Base.
So now this is base, and the approximately is color is 9 or 10 related to 9 or 10. So what will be the by the help of pH paper we can identify the pH 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, now look at this. एक और